Yes, Pinoy Pro! Making dreams come true! Yes, Pinoy Pro! We are here for you! Yes, Pinoy Pro! Solutions align! Yes, Pinoy Pro! You know you shine! Yes, Pinoy Pro! Tunay at totoo sa bawat hakbang kami ang kasama mo! Business opening and solutions, we make it right! Legal matters and translation, day and night! Travel plans, visas, migration to explore the world, all for you. Education upgrades, kayang-kaya natin to. Yes, Pinoy Pro, pangarap mo'y totoo. From here to there to anywhere. Yes, Pinoy Pro, we will bring you there. By air, by land, or on the sea. Together we rise, your success our key. Yes, Pinoy Pro, way to go. Solutions beyond borders, we'll show. Business, legal, travel loans, we make it true. Marketing and events, all made easy for you. Yes, Pinoy Pro, your dreams are guide. Yes, Pinoy Pro, right by your side. Yes, Pinoy Pro, goals is in our head. Yes, Pinoy Pro, together we stand.
Social media marketing, we make it shine. Loan financing, we got your spine. Business setup, we clear the path. Talents and events, highlights display. Yes, Pinoy Pro. Through the mayor on business, legal, travel loans, marketing, all in one service. Rules of the everyday, we move, we act, we play our part. Kami to the part, mo straight from the heart.
Yes, Pinoy Pro, we're with
Sa lahat po ng sumama sa Fiestang Pinoy Dubai, maraming salamat po sa pakikipagkaisa. Ganon din po sa pagmamahal sa Yes Pinoy Pro. Kung nais po ninyong magbukas ng inyong mga negosyo, kasama na po ang website, marketing at marami pang iba, katulad ng tax at accounting, kami na ang bahala doon. Ganon na rin po sa pagbili ninyo ng inyong mga airline tickets. Kaya tara na sa Yes Pinoy Pro na kung saan all-in-one na.